Yo, what's up guys? Rocky Resale here, and today I'm bringing you guys a brand new video. And today we're going to be unboxing the Jordan 11 Cool Grays. This shoe is unreleased. Today is November 20th. It doesn't release until December sometime, but we went ahead and got our hands on an early pair. So Nike did like an exclusive access on the Jordan 11 Cool Grays. I'm going to start unboxing these. I'm going to give you guys a little B-roll. I hope you enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know what you think about these unboxing videos. So I hope you enjoyed that little B-roll of the shoes. Just a quick little clip of them. But now it's time to hop in to the unboxing. Alright guys, so I just got the shoes unboxed and everything. I have two sizes. I have a size 10 and I also have a size 7Y, just to see the difference between the grade school sizes and the men's sizes. Grade school sizes usually look a lot different than the men's size. Not a lot different as in appearance looks so different, but the actual shape of the shoe itself looks a little bit different. The proportions of the shoe look a little bit different. But looking at these shoes, they look pretty proportional. I actually like the grade school sizes better. They look a little bit better in hand. Jumping it off, I'm going to start with the icy blue bottoms. These icy blue bottoms, these are one of my favorite bottoms to have on any shoe. Jordan 11, Jordan 1s. I really love this icy blue bottom. One thing that I do have to say about the icy blue bottom, if you're going to be purchasing this shoe, if you're going to be rocking or stocking this shoe for a couple years, that icy blue bottom is going to start to yellow a little bit. So just watch out a little bit for that. And then as we get to looking at a little bit more of the shoe, you can see on the front, on the tongue, it's just a blank tongue. There's no Jordan or Nike sign or anything like that. I honestly like the blank tongue. It gives it more of like a classic look. Makes it a little bit more basic, easier to wear. So yeah, the no symbol on the tongue, I like that. That's definitely a bonus detail for me. Another big thing you are going to notice on this Jordan 11 Cool Gray is that the upper is going to be like a nubuck or suede material instead of a leather. So on the other pair, I think the upper is going to be more of a leather, and on this pair, it's going to be like a suede material. Not the same leather as a lot of the Jordan 11s, and honestly, the patent leather, very, very quality. It's not super hard or anything. It's kind of soft patent leather, and that's what you want. You don't want the super hard patent leather that's going to crease really easy or look ugly when you start to wear them. They do come with the white rope laces, so it's just going to be the basic rope white laces. There are no extra laces with this pair. So if you're looking to pick this shoe up for holiday season, I would definitely consider this a cop. And if you want to cop this shoe, I would definitely cop it before Christmas. I feel like once Christmas starts to get a little bit closer, a lot of people are going to be buying these shoes for their loved ones, for friends, family. And I think the prices right now are fairly reasonable, just a little bit over retail. So the men's pair is going to be around $300, $350 for a men's pair right now in November. And then these grade school sizes, you're looking at about $200 to $250 for grade school. And that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the quick little Jordan 11 Cool Gray unboxing. I like doing these unboxings. They're super short and super quick, but it's good to show people a quick look at the shoe just so they know if they want to buy it or resell it, flip it, whatever. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, check out the Instagram in the description below, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.